Hello guys, Donna Lisa with Zuda Info here. Doing an unboxing of the Zline 24-inch range. I received this yesterday by FedEx Freight. And you can see where I've taken some things off. It came on this pallet. No, it looks a little messy from what I got going on, but there's the paperwork with it. And I can't really get into it. I just wanted to show you all. This is a 24-inch range. I'm impressed. It's black stainless. That's the little leg down at the bottom. So it kind of give you an idea of how tall it'll sit. Looks to me kind of taller than the average range. This is a gas range. This is what came with it. These are like the little burners. There's like some little gold in there. When I ordered it, it was black. The legs were black. That's like a silver and black. That's okay. Black stainless steel. Remove this. There are two grates. They're very heavy, as you can see. They cover 4 burners. But I'll get everything packaged back together. But on the back side, I was concerned to make sure the plug is on the back of it. It's small, but I'm impressed. Kind of impressed. These ranges are normally $2,700 to $3,200. I paid $985, free shipping. And also, you're not going to believe this, I took an opportunity and got this on Shop Pay. So, for the additional money, I'm out of $52. I wouldn't do the one for the I think the 6 months or the 12 months because it was $160 some. And I was going to pay for it outright, but man, you think about the project that I'm working on with the 2 houses. So there's a lot. But this is a nice range. I'm surprised. $985. And there are people who've paid $2,000 to $3,000 for this range, even though it's small. But I'm very impressed with it. And this, well, you may say, well, this is 24 inches, but it's going to fit in the space. You've got to see the space at the house. I got to rearrange some things and have the cabinet, I have the spice rack, and then maybe this range. And that's going to be enough room to go in that space. And I've got to rework where the sink is. But anyway, coming to you with this unboxing, I just wanted to let you know that I got this Zline. Of course, I don't know how well it's going to function until I get it in the house. That'll be a while. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got. And I want you to stay tuned. I want you to shop with me. I do shopping at thrift stores, antique malls. I'm always looking for a deal, doors, whatever it is that I can find. I have champagne taste and beer money. Okay, so I'm on a budget. I don't have a lot of money, but I do like nice things. So I want you guys to stay with me. Subscribe to the channel, share it, because I'll do a lot, unboxing all the time if I get something in. Tell you guys where I got it from. And yeah, right now Today is the 29th, I believe, of December, the 30th of December. Today's the 30th of December. And I got this. This was just delivered on yesterday, 30th of December 2022. We're going into 2023. And I just got this on yesterday. It was delivered by FedEx Freight. I got this from the Range Hood store, but I got it from by payment via Shop Pay. Okay, so this is the Zline 24-inch gas range, and oh, okay, yeah, pretty nice range. All right, guys, until next time, I have my God, I have my Bible, and I have my gun. Donna Lisa signing off with Zula Info.